Welcome to my video on resell rights, how to work less and make more. This is a resell rights vault video. In the description below this video, I have a link for you to get over 1,000 digital products that you can sell as your own and keep 100% of the profit. Also hit the show more button below to get free training on how to create a six-figure income online. Okay, let's get started. In recent years, there has been a large amount of focus placed on private label resell rights. Private label resell rights are when an individual agrees to purchase the right to resell the product, often from the product's original creator. The buyer of those resell rights is then able to make a profit every time they sell that product or a version of it. Many individuals have capitalized on the success of private label resell rights, and now you may also be able to. If you were to search the internet for private label resell rights offers, it is likely that you will find an unlimited number of offers and business opportunities. Most of those offers are likely to include software programs or ebooks. While private label resell rights exist for a wide variety of different products, some products are better known than others. In a way, some products are considered well-kept secrets. If you are interested in profiting from one of those secrets, you are advised to examine private label articles and the resell rights that you can purchase for them. When it comes to private label articles, many of them are written by professional freelance writers and in large quantities. Many of these writers enjoy writing the articles, but they do not enjoy trying to sell them. That is where the resell right opportunity develops. Instead of selling their articles to a prospective buyer, they sell their articles to someone who has the time and the knowledge needed to make sales. If you are interested in taking part in this money-making opportunity, you are encouraged to get started. One great source for buying articles to resell is www.resellrightsvault.com. As of right now, many entrepreneurs are looking to obtain the private label resell rights to ebooks or software programs. Many are not even aware that there is a large market for mass content articles. In fact, you may even be wondering who you would go about selling those articles to and how. In short, the answer is everyone. You will want to target the general public, but there are groups of individuals that you should, without a doubt, target. These individuals are webmasters. Webmasters are known as individuals that have either created or are currently operating a website. Oftentimes that website is their own. In today's world, websites need to have interesting content, often in the form of articles. Many times, this content is used to make a website more user-friendly, but other times it is used to increase a website's search engine ranking. Search engine ranking is important because, in a way, it determines how many internet users will be able to make it to the site. Depending on the type of website in question, a high search engine ranking may help a webmaster earn more money. There is also a chance that you are concerned with selling the content. The internet is full of duplicated content, and many webmasters prefer to purchase their own unique articles, but that does not mean that you cannot give them what they want. When a freelance writer places their article resell rights up for sale, many writers are giving up ownership to those articles. In a way, those articles become yours. This means that you should be able to alter them in any way that you see fit. The more you alter an article, bit by bit each time, the more you can sell it as unique content. Once you have obtained the resell rights to a collection of articles, you can then begin to shop for buyers. There are a number of different ways that you can do this. You can seek out potential webmasters by viewing their online websites. If the content you have is suitable, you may be able to make a sale. You can also advertise a collection of articles through online classified ads or by placing them for sale on online auction websites. The method of sale you choose will all depend on how much you want to work and how much money you want to make. To make the most out of this opportunity, you are urged to act fast. It won't be too long before others realize what a money-making opportunity it is to buy and resell private label articles. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please take a moment and leave a comment. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Hit the bell to be notified. Be sure to watch my other videos. Click on the link in the description below to get over 1,000 digital products, all with master resell rights. Also hit the show more button below to get free training on how to create a six-figure income online.